I'm a Mac.
And I'm a PC.
So Mac's got a lot of new upgrades that they're putting out right now. Yeah. Oh hey.
Hey, what's up?
I'm a Mac.
Oh, so am I. Really?
Really?
Oh, it's just the skin.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So
Minor
what's different between us?
I just got a few upgrades, like my
upgrades?
yeah, my hard drive's bigger.
Oh. Okay.
I run faster too.